Dermatology one-liners. Oddland bodies are seen in stratum granulosum. Desmosomes are helpful in connecting keratinocytes. Melanocytes are present in stratum basale. Langerhans cells are seen in stratum spinosum. Dead layer of epidermis is stratum corneum. Keratinocytes are present in all layers of epidermis. Basal cell degeneration seen in lichen planus. Acanthosis and spongiosis involve stratum spinosum. Substance common in hair and skin is keratin. Normal epidermal turnover is 4 weeks. Sebaceous gland activity is mainly controlled by androgens. Fox-Fordyce disease is a disease of apocrine glands. Fordyce spot involves sebaceous glands. Hidradenitis suppurativa is a disease of apocrine glands. Miliaria is a disorder of eccrine glands. Acne vulgaris involves pilosebaceous glands. Comedones are seen in acne vulgaris. Topical retinoids are best for comedonal acne. Drug of choice for nodulocystic acne is oral isotretinoin. Alopecia areata is characterized by focal alopecia, exclamation mark hair with no rash in area of hair loss. Tinea capitis is characterized by focal alopecia, severe itching, painful boggy swelling, multiple discharging sinus, rash in air of hair loss. Diffuse patterned hair loss over crown, loss of frontal hairline in characteristic feature of male pattern baldness. Female pattern baldness is characterized by patterned hair loss over crown with preserved frontal hairline. Diffuse alopecia after 3 to 4 months of stress is telogen effluvium. Alopecia within 2 to 3 weeks after exposure to radiation or anti-cancer drugs is anagen effluvium. Alopecia universalis is loss of all body hair. Telogen phase of hair growth lasts for 100 days. Catagen phase lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. Anagen phase lasts for 3 years. Anagen phase indicates phase of activity and growth. Catagen phase indicates transition. Telogen phase is resting or degenerative phase. Eyebrows don't grow beyond certain length as they have short anagen phase. Scarring alopecia is seen in tinea capitis. Alopecia areata is non-scarring. Exclamation mark alopecia is a feature of alopecia areata. Distal and lateral subungual onychomycosis is most common type of fungal infection of nail. Thimble pitting of nails is seen in psoriasis. Moth-eaten alopecia is seen in secondary syphilis. Pterygium of nail is characteristically seen in lichen planus. Most important factor in causation of ingrown toenail is ill-fitting shoes. A fine, scaly, hypopigmented recurrent macule on face is pityriasis alba. Fine, scaly, multiple small hypopigmented recurrent macules on trunk and shoulders is pityriasis versicolor. Furfuraceous or rice powder scales are seen in pityriasis versicolor. Freckle is hyperpigmented lesion. Spaghetti and meatball appearance is seen in pityriasis versicolor. Most common type of vitiligo is vitiligo vulgaris. Papillomatosis is seen in Acanthosis nigricans. Minocycline can cause blue-black discoloration in healing acne lesions. Raindrop pigmentation is seen in chronic arsenic poisoning.